Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create a mesh gradient effect to your design in Canva. So mesh gradient is a little bit different than a linear gradient that you probably have seen before. So mesh gradient usually is a combination between multiple colors, but they blend organically, like there is no uniformity. It's almost like random. So one example is the iPhone 10 wallpaper. It's one example of the mesh gradient. It's probably very popular back then. And you can also just go to the stock library on Canva, the element section right here, and then you can search for mesh gradients, and then you will find a lot of free photos that you could use to your design. But we are not going to be talking about that. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can create your own mesh gradient using a third-party app in Canva. Okay, let's move on to this second page. I'm going to change this background to be a mesh gradient. Now let's go to this app section, and I want you to search for mesh gradient. That is the keyword that you need, and the app that we want to use is called mesh gradient as well. Click on it and click open to give it permission to access our Canva account. And then here you can select the color that you want. Honestly, it could be random, but I prefer to use a color from uigradients.com. This website has a collection of beautiful gradient colors, and I'm going to just pick that. Let's apply the color here one by one. This is going to take quite some time given that there are 4 different colors, but fortunately it's just as simple as copy and paste, and the result won't be disappointing. So this is the last color, and let's paste it here, and there you go. Now this has to be random. You can click the randomize position to change the look of it, but the color will remain the same. As you can see, there are many combinations. You can click as many times as you like until you find the one that is going to look best for your design. I'm going to use this design in particular, and I'm going to click add to design. So it will create a photo, and this photo can be used to your design, and I'm going to use this as a background of this font mockup. So there you have it. That's exactly how you can create a mesh gradient effect in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.